Now, last point under the heading nanochemistry is applications of nanomaterial. It is a very important point as we have studied all the nanoparticles and now we have to see its uses or applications. Number one, in cosmetics, the material like TiO2ZNO, that is titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, is used as a sunscreen. It is because it is having the capacity to transmit a particular type of rays only, that is like visible rays are transparent, so this is transparent to the visible rays, while ultraviolet rays are absorbed and reflected back. So that's why this titanium dioxide and zinc oxide is used as a sunscreen or in a sunscreen type of lotions. Then iron oxide, it is used in a lipsticks as it is having the nature or as a pigments to give colors. It is used in a lipstick. Then in coatings, so coatings for a glass in window, in houses there are different glasses in windows, so as an anti-fouling agent, abrasion resistant, by disinfectant, water repellent, this type of coating is given to the windows. So titanium dioxide is one of the example to coat windows by the nanomaterial. Then in paints, zinc selenide, zinc sulfide, cadmium sulfide, these are used. They shows a light phenomenon, that is they makes the paint lightweight. Sometimes it glows more comparatively than before one. Then such type of, again, anti-fouling, antibacterial, such type of all applications are shown there by the nanomaterials using particularly paints. Then batteries, in batteries those materials which are prepared by Sol-Gel method are used. They are used to prepare a separator plate in batteries, which is more useful, which increases the durability and life of battery. The next is a fuel additives like cerium oxide is added in the diesel to improve its economy, as well as a to decrease the or to remove, we can say that, fuel degradation, to minimize fuel degradation. The next is in health, to prepare the artificial heart. Different walls of heart are prepared by silicon carbide type of material. Then for packaging, we know that on a large scale silver nanoparticles are used in packaging and it is also disinfectant. Like this, again there are number of uses, like for preparing different films, different sensitive type of material. Then in lubricants, to make it lightweight, the nanoparticles are used. In satellites nowadays on such a large scale, different type of infinite type of applications of nanomaterials are there. So nanomaterials, nanochemistry, these are having a very more use, and it can be used on from the small scale up to the large scale, and nowadays it is increasing day by day. So large investigation and design of this nanomaterial is going on large scale, and more research is also going on there. In this way, we have studied today the topic of nanochemistry. Thank you very much.